The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our planet is slowly coming to an end. Scientists and astronauts from NASA have reported that a star named Rigel is dying in our solar system. It is confirmed that Rigel will explode within the next 40 minutes. There is nothing we can do to stop this situation. When Rigel explodes, huge powerful supernova will form, and all humanity will perish from the light. There is no way to survive this catastrophic event. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. Gather with your family members and friends, and prepare for the end. This station will sign off with the final playing of our national anthem. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. But the end has come. God bless us all. And God bless the United States of America and the world.